Guys, welcome back to our channel. Well, we're having a dilemma. We are having a huge, big dilemma in the garden. Something got in here, some pests, and decided to have a taste test in our garden. There's the yellow squash, cucumber, zucchini. I don't know what did this, but we are going to try and fix this. I don't know if I can. I don't know if they can come back. I really don't. But this literally happened overnight. Yesterday, these were extremely big and green and beautiful, and oh my goodness. And now look. What does this? What? The only thing I can come up with is squash bugs. So, this is what I have planned. Okay, what I have planned is this. I watched many a video. I did my homework. And this is what I found. Neem oil. Neem oil is organic, okay? And I pride myself on my organic garden. So you mix 2 tablespoons of this in with a gallon of water. But my sprayer is only a half gallon. So I only mixed in a tablespoon, which is about a capful, 2 capfuls, sorry, of this. So we're going to try this, okay? And if it's not the squash bugs, then I also heard that caterpillars can actually do some serious damage. So I got this. This is for caterpillars. So we're going to try this, okay? I'm going to give this a good pump. And I'm going to spray it, and hopefully these plants can come back to life. I'm hoping and praying. I really am. Because I have put so much time and energy and love into my garden. And for it to just be eaten away, no. I can't allow that to happen. I can't. You know? So, let's just hope that this will take care of the problem. I'm so upset. I really, truly am. I mean, look at this. Look. They were just so beautiful and perfect yesterday. And then I wake up today and this is what I see. No. Not in this garden. You know? So, and when I went to Home Depot, they said, did you check the leaves? Are there any bugs or eggs? I said, the leaves are so eaten away, there's nothing really to look at. There really isn't. There's really nothing to look at. How sad is that? So, just going to spray away and hopefully this will work. I'm praying that it works. Oh, fireworks. Spent so much time and put so much love and energy into something. It just breaks my heart. It really does. It breaks my heart. And these guys were ready, just getting ready to fruit. They really were. They were getting ready to fruit. Oh, boy. What is that? So I can't even tell. And the neem oil is all organic. So, and it was only $8 and something. So let's just say 9, okay? And this little sprayer was $7. So $6 and some change, so just say 7. But if it's going to save this garden, so well worth the money. So well worth the money. And I'm going to spray the rest of these, even though I do have peppers growing, you know, but they're not ready to be picked yet. My tomatoes. So heartbreaking. So heartbreaking. It's okay, I don't want to stop spraying because I just want to make absolute sure. I want to spray around on the ground too, around the plants, to make absolutely sure. I don't want to have to take these up. I really don't. I don't want to have to take these plants up. I really don't. I'm going to spray the eggplant as well. Even though I haven't gotten to the eggplant yet. Before, just in case, because I don't want to take any more chances. And you know, I've been using diatomaceous earth religiously, honestly. They even got through the diatomaceous earth. So I think they got used to the diatomaceous earth. What are you? What are you? I just saw a squash bug, so that's what it is. I just saw one. Ooh! Darn it all the hell. But yeah, they got through the diatomaceous earth, so that is obviously not working in this garden. I don't know. Maybe they got used to it. I think that's what it was. They got used to the diatomaceous earth. So, neem oil it is from now on. And the neem oil, it can do... Hang on, let me read. I think... It's a broad-spectrum fungicide, insecticide, and miticide. You can use it on roses, flowers, houseplants, ornamental trees and shrubs, fruits, veggies, home lawns, for use in and around the home and home garden. I don't know, this probably does quite a few gallons. So, I've got a purple flower on my eggplant. Heartbreaking, guys, heartbreaking. I don't know if my plants can come back. I really don't. All this is just one night's worth of damage. One night. Alright, well, I'll give you an update if they come back, or even if they don't. I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.